Hello techies, this is CompTIA TestOut Lab 7.4.10 and we are going to repair programs. So you are having problems with the security evaluator programs that has been installed on your computer. In this lab, your task is to access the settings app, repair the security evaluator program. So we'll start up right away. We want to go to search menu and then we're going to search for app and features. So we're going to open these and let's scroll down. Let's scroll down. So go ahead and click this. Okay, so this is done. Let's check our answers and see how we do, and everything is correct. We go ahead and score lab. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe. You can reach me through my email, dreamsetservices@gmail.com. Don't forget to join my professional membership so that you can have access to videos that are not available here. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.